Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of cloud computing. You've probably heard the term before, but what does it really mean? In simple terms, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, like storage, processing power, and software, over the internet rather than using your own computer or local server. This technology has transformed the way we access and use digital resources, making it easier, faster, and more flexible for both individuals and businesses. Let's explore how cloud computing works, why it's so important, and what makes it such a game changer in our digital lives. Start by defining the cloud. When people talk about the cloud, they're referring to servers that are accessed over the internet, along with the software and databases that run on those servers. Instead of keeping files on your own hard drive or running programs from your local computer, you use the internet to connect to powerful remote computers. This means you can access your data and applications from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. The cloud isn't a physical thing, but rather a network of servers working together to provide services. Cloud computing might seem like a modern invention, but its roots go back several decades. In the 1960s, computer scientists dreamed of a future where computing power and programs could be shared over a network, much like electricity. However, it wasn't until the 2000s, with the rise of high-speed internet and powerful data centers, that cloud computing became practical and widespread. Today, it's an essential part of our digital infrastructure, powering everything from social media to online shopping. How does cloud computing actually work? At its core, cloud computing relies on a network of servers housed in massive data centers around the world. These servers store data and run applications, which users can access remotely via the internet. When you upload a photo to social media or stream a movie, you're using cloud computing. The cloud provider manages the hardware, software, and security, so you don't have to worry about maintenance or upgrade. This makes it incredibly convenient and efficient. Cloud computing isn't just one thing, it comes in several forms known as cloud services. The three main types are infrastructure as a service (IaaS), platform as a service (PaaS), and software as a service (SaaS). IaaS provides basic computing resources like servers and storage. PaaS offers a platform for developers to build applications. SaaS delivers software applications over the internet like email or office tools. Each type serves different needs, but all rely on the same cloud technology. Let's look closer at infrastructure as a service, or IaaS. With IaaS, companies rent IT infrastructure like servers, storage, and networking from a cloud provider. This means they don't have to buy and maintain expensive hardware. Instead, they pay for what they use, scaling up or down as needed. IaaS is popular with businesses that need flexibility and want to avoid the costs and hassles of managing physical equipment. Next, platform as a service, or PaaS, provides a platform for developers to build, test, and deploy applications. With PaaS, developers don't have to worry about managing servers or storage. They can focus on writing code and creating great software. The cloud provider handles the infrastructure, operating systems, and security. This makes it easier and faster to bring new apps to market. Finally, software as a service, or SaaS, delivers software applications over the internet. Instead of installing programs on your computer, you access them through a web browser. Examples include email services, office suites, and customer relationship management tools. SaaS is convenient because updates and maintenance are handled by the provider, and you can use the software from any device with internet access. Cloud computing comes in different deployment models. The public cloud is the most common. In this model, services are delivered over the public internet and shared among multiple users or tenants. Major providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud offer public cloud services. It's cost-effective and scalable, making it ideal for many businesses and individuals. Private cloud is dedicated to a single organization. It can be hosted on-site or by a third-party provider, but the key is that the infrastructure is used exclusively by one business. Private clouds offer greater control and security, which is important for organizations with strict data privacy or regulatory requirements. However, they can be more expensive to set up and maintain compared to public clouds. Hybrid cloud combines elements of both public and private clouds. Organizations can keep sensitive data in a private cloud while using the public cloud for less critical resources. This approach offers flexibility, scalability, and cost savings while still maintaining control over important data. Many businesses choose a hybrid model to get the best of both worlds. One of the biggest advantages of cloud computing is flexibility. You can quickly scale resources up or down based on your needs. For example, if your website suddenly gets a lot of traffic, the cloud can handle the extra load without any hassle. This scalability makes cloud computing ideal for businesses with changing demands. Cloud computing can save money. Instead of investing in expensive hardware and software, you pay only for what you use. There's no need to overbuy resources just in case. This pay-as-you-go model helps businesses control costs and avoid waste, making technology more accessible to everyone. With cloud computing, you can access your data and applications from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection. This makes remote work, collaboration, and global business much easier. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, the cloud keeps you connected. Another great benefit is automatic updates. Cloud providers handle software updates and security patches, so you always have the latest features and protections. This saves time and ensures your systems are secure and up to date without any extra effort on your part. Cloud computing makes disaster recovery easier and more affordable. Your data is stored in multiple locations, so if something goes wrong, like a hardware failure or natural disaster, you can quickly recover your information. This level of protection used to be expensive, but the cloud makes it accessible to everyone. Security is a top concern for cloud users. Cloud providers invest heavily in advanced security measures, including encryption, firewalls, and regular audits. While no system is completely immune to threats, the cloud often provides better protection than many organizations can achieve on their own. Still, it's important to understand your responsibilities and follow best practices. You might not realize it, but you use cloud computing every day. When you check your email, stream music, or backup photos to the cloud, you're taking advantage of this technology. Even social media platforms and online banking rely on the cloud to deliver fast, reliable services to millions of users worldwide. Businesses of all sizes use cloud computing to streamline operations, improve collaboration, and reach customers. From startups to global corporations, the cloud enables companies to launch products faster, analyze data more effectively, and scale their operations as needed. It's a powerful tool for innovation and growth. Developers benefit from cloud computing by gaining access to powerful tools and platforms. They can build, test, and deploy applications quickly without worrying about infrastructure. The cloud also supports collaboration, version control, and integration with other services, making software development more efficient and creative. In education, cloud computing has opened up new possibilities for learning and collaboration. Students and teachers can access resources, submit assignments, and participate in virtual classrooms from anywhere. The cloud supports online courses, digital libraries, and interactive learning tools, making education more accessible and engaging. Healthcare organizations use cloud computing to store patient records, share information securely, and support telemedicine. The cloud enables faster access to medical data, improves collaboration among healthcare professionals, and helps deliver better patient care. Security and privacy are especially important in this field, and cloud providers offer specialized solutions to meet these needs. The entertainment industry relies on cloud computing for streaming movies, music, and games. Cloud services deliver content quickly and reliably to millions of users worldwide. They also support content creation, editing, and distribution, making it easier for creators to reach their audiences. Financial institutions use cloud computing to process transactions, analyze data, and deliver online banking services. The cloud helps banks and financial firms stay competitive by offering faster, more secure, and more flexible services to their customers. Security and compliance are top priorities in this sector. Governments use cloud computing to improve public services, store data securely, and support digital transformation. The cloud enables agencies to respond quickly to changing needs, collaborate across departments, and provide better services to citizens. Security, privacy, and reliability are essential in government cloud solutions. Cloud storage is one of the most popular uses of cloud computing. It allows you to save files and data on remote servers rather than your local device. This means you can access your files from any device, share them easily, and keep them safe from hardware failures. Popular services include Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Backing up data to the cloud is a smart way to protect against data loss. Cloud backup services automatically save copies of your files to secure, remote servers. If your device is lost, stolen, or damaged, you can easily restore your data from the cloud. This peace of mind is one reason why cloud backup is so popular. Cloud computing powers collaboration tools like Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. These platforms let teams work together in real time, share documents, and communicate easily no matter where they are. The cloud makes teamwork more efficient and helps organizations stay connected. Many of the apps you use every day are cloud-based. From streaming services to productivity tools, these applications run on remote servers and deliver content or functionality over the internet. This means you don't need to install or update software on your device. Everything is handled in the cloud. Cloud computing is essential for big data analytics. It provides the storage and processing power needed to analyze massive amounts of information quickly and efficiently. Businesses use the cloud to gain insights from data, make better decisions, and stay competitive in a data-driven world. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning rely on cloud computing for data storage and processing. The cloud provides the resources needed to train AI models and run complex algorithms. This makes AI more accessible and powerful, driving innovation in fields like healthcare, finance, and transportation. The Internet of Things, IoT, connects devices like smart thermostats, wearables, and appliances to the internet. Cloud computing provides the infrastructure to collect, store, and analyze data from these devices. This enables smarter homes, cities, and industries, making our lives more connected and efficient. Mobile devices rely on cloud computing for many of their features. From syncing contacts to streaming music, the cloud keeps your data up to date and accessible across all your devices. This seamless integration makes mobile technology more powerful and user-friendly. Cloud computing has made remote work possible for millions of people. Employees can access files, collaborate with colleagues, and join meetings from anywhere. The cloud supports flexible work arrangements and helps businesses stay productive, no matter where their teams are located. Startups benefit from cloud computing by accessing powerful technology without large upfront costs. The cloud allows new businesses to launch quickly, scale as they grow, and compete with larger companies. It levels the playing field and encourages innovation. Cloud computing can help reduce environmental impact. Large cloud providers use energy-efficient data centers and invest in renewable energy. By sharing resources, the cloud reduces the need for individual companies to run their own servers, leading to less energy consumption overall. While cloud computing offers many benefits, it also comes with challenges. Security is a major concern, as storing data offsite can introduce risks. It's important to choose reputable providers, use strong passwords, and follow best practices to keep your information safe. Cloud services can experience outages or downtime, which may disrupt access to your data or applications. While major providers have strong reliability records, no system is perfect. It's wise to have backup plans and understand your provider's service level agreements. Compliance with laws and regulations can be complex in the cloud. Different countries have different rules about data privacy and security. Businesses must ensure their cloud provider meets all relevant requirements, especially when handling sensitive information. Vendor lock-in happens when it's difficult to move your data or applications from one cloud provider to another. This can limit your flexibility and increase costs over time. It's important to consider portability and interoperability when choosing a cloud solution. The future of cloud computing is bright. As technology advances, the cloud will become even more powerful, secure, and accessible. We can expect new services, smarter automation, and deeper integration with emerging technologies like AI and IoT. The cloud will continue to shape the way we live and work. Edge computing is an exciting trend in cloud technology. It brings computing power closer to where data is generated, reducing latency and improving performance. This is especially important for applications like self-driving cars and smart devices, where real-time processing is critical. Serverless computing is another trend that's changing the cloud landscape. With serverless, developers write code without worrying about managing servers. The cloud provider automatically handles the infrastructure, scaling resources as needed. This makes development faster and more efficient. Many organizations are adopting multi-cloud strategies, using services from multiple cloud providers. This approach increases flexibility, reduces risk, and helps avoid vendor lock-in. It also allows businesses to choose the best tools for each task, optimizing performance and cost. Sum up, cloud computing is a revolutionary technology that delivers computing resources over the internet. It offers flexibility, cost savings, and accessibility for individuals and businesses alike. From daily life to cutting-edge innovation, the cloud is shaping our digital future. As we continue to embrace this technology, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for joining us on this journey to understand what cloud computing is and why it matters.